Yeah, we've learnt so much. I mean, for us, it was the knowledge. We've always wanted to go into property investing, but we just didn't know which way around how to go about it. So we always just thought with it's just buy to let, single lets, we just didn't even know about HMOs. So only when we came across Samuel's on YouTube, we found, oh, there's so many strategies. And then coming to this course, the crash course that we did, this course here, we've learned there's so many strategies, so many things you can do. And yeah, we found it really good.
Yeah, and it's also interesting to see how, whilst there are lots of different strategies and obviously focus is important, it makes you think in terms of what your plan is and how you will mature that plan as you go along. So you might focus on a single let initially, depending on your financial circumstances. Everyone's different. That's the other good thing, to meet other people, not just to see Samuel and his team, and to hear other people's stories and how what they're looking for and how they've come across problems and how you can make a nice, good sense of a community. So yeah, it's been very, very enlightening and useful. Like with anything in life, you need that extra encouragement and boost towards recenter you. And so this has given us that additional reinforcement of what we're looking to do is the right method.
Giving us a plan.
Thank you very much to Samuel for that.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're focused to getting that first HMO, and then from there, just repeating that cycle, getting the next property. Could be that, no money down deal, single let or something, and just maintain the momentum. So this year, we'll make our plan, what we want to achieve, and then try to exceed that. Yeah, so the advanced training, well, first of all, there's less people. There's a much more concentrated group. And of course, the people there are also hungry just like you. They've what's the fee, they in themselves and their mindset are similar to you in terms of that hunger. So they're more appropriate for you to network with because they're those people that have value and you've got value. In terms of the content, there were certain really nice golden nuggets in there, like certain like contract information or certain contacts, just some elaboration on how you can find those deals and just hone your skills. Yeah, no, it's very good.
We love the energy.
Yeah,
it's really good.
It's very good. I mean, it's very difficult. I do this sort of presentations and stuff in my job, and it's very difficult sometimes to always remain focused when you've got long days. It's a 3-day course and he's doing lots of other training courses, etc. So kudos to him for always being energetic.
And making it very interactive.
Yeah, and I like the fact that he breaks it up. So if he sees people are ailing slightly, he'll like sort of get them to come up, do move your arms, look to the left, right, do an exercise, and it just keeps you engaged. And there's always something new going on,
making you come out of your comfort zone.
Yeah. And it's also, I think it's good that there's very different people of experience and ability, and he's finding who needs the help, and he's bringing those people up. Because at the end of the day, and I agree with what you're saying, he wants everyone to succeed. And so it's important that everyone succeeds, not just certain people who have experience or the money and so forth. So that was also good.
Energetic, fun, informative.
I would say productive, enlightening, and exciting. I think it comes down to, at the end of the day, like with anything in life, if you want to achieve anything, it's up to you to do it. So whilst it's great to go to a course, it comes down to now you taking action.
And we're going away with a lot of knowledge, education, and strategies in mind.
So that's it. Just take it and run with it.